If you are an African, if your parents tell you about the African history, you will realize that Africans has a way of life. African has cultures and traditions. Africans are artists. Africans celebrate their hard work and their hard working. With this, Makapellian Foundation bring to you the Life Anambra Igbo Festival in the southeast of the Niger, Anambra State, Igbo Anambra State, because it's the duty of Makapellian Foundation to promote rural areas out of Africa, discover talents, and showcase them to the world. In this edition of Anambra Igbo New Yam Festival exposes different kinds of African games like wrestling. It exposes African music, African culture. It exposes African fashion and African dishes. So the Anambra New Yam Festival, Igbo New Yam Festival in the southeast of Nigeria, Igbo, is going to be entertaining. It's going to showcase African traditions and way of life. So join us together. Let's celebrate the Igbo New Yam Festival in Igbo and Anambra Central, southeast of Nigeria, Anambra State, West Africa. Because together we achieve greatness. Together we present African culture to the Westerners in order to emulate and copy our ways of life. Join Makapellian Foundation in discovering African talents and promoting African arts and culture from the grassroots of Africa to the world. Because Africa is the talk of the world. I am Makapela Williams, Digital Chief Priest and Prince of Makapellian Foundation. Worldwide Blacks Awakening says, Black World Unite.